Hi everyone, do you know that this type of eye actually pulls down your confidence when you're grown up and you feel that the other person is drawing so well? But how? The only thing that the other person follows while drawing the eye and what the other artist also follow while drawing the eye is using these lines, and these lines are nowhere coming from other planet, but it's a curve line. Okay, and why curve line? Because your eye is actually a ball, and whatever line you draw on a ball will look like a curved line. Simple as that. Imagine yourself if you're moving your finger on an orange or a tennis ball or a football or a basketball, does your finger moves straight? No, it always moves in a curve. Whether you move it diagonally, horizontally, vertically, whichever angle. So, that same way, when you draw an eye, always use curved lines.